How to download WhatsApp, Android, and iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp on both Android and iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and tap Search. From the results, select WhatsApp Messenger and tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. If prompted, authenticate with your Google account on Android or Face ID, Apple ID password on iPhone. Wait for the download to complete, then tap Open to launch WhatsApp. And enjoy chatting on the WhatsApp app. That's how you can easily download WhatsApp. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.